Good morning, everyone. My name is Mauricio Rios, and I want to thank you all for coming today. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a dog's ears. Okay. So, Dr. Sloan emphasizes the benefits in his article. He says, why is it important to clean a dog's ears? For one, you decrease the chances of getting bacterial or yeast infections inside the ear. You also decrease the chances of getting ear mites, which are very nasty bugs that you don't want inside the dog's ears. It could also be contagious to other pets. And it would also save you money in the long run because you won't have to have so many doctor visits to the vets. Now my next slide is going to show you how the dog's ears are shaped. They're shaped in the L form, and as it starts going towards the head, the passage starts to narrow. As you can see, illustrated there. And that's why it's so difficult to clean, because if you try to clean the outside of the external part of the ear, you're only going to clean the outside, but you're not going to get what's inside of the internal ear canal. And all that gunk that's in there is going to just start to multiply, and it's going to start to create more dirtiness. So you want to know how to properly clean it, so you don't get a reoccurring problem. So my next slides are going to be pictures that's going to illustrate how a mild, moderate, and severe ear infection looks like. This picture right now is a mild one. As you can see, it's mild yeastiness in the ear, easily cleaned. The next slide, it shows a little bit more aggressive infection. The doctors like to call this cauliflower ear. As you can see, the inflammation is a lot more pronounced. And you can see how it looks like cauliflower is because the dog has been scratching at it. And I would like to thank theanswersvet.com for the images. The next one's kind of gross. This is a severe infection. As you could tell, a lot of pus, a lot of traumatic damage done by the dog itself because of the itchiness and the aggressive nature of the bacteria. My next slide is going to say how to clean your dog's ears, okay? What are we going to do first? We're going to prepare everything first, okay? So you're going to get all your materials. You're going to get a nice towel, depending on your dog's size. You want to make sure you get it. So you don't want to dirty things around it, okay? You're going to get your dog, of course. You're going to put him above the towel. Okay, you're going to get your materials, your cleaning solutions. You will get either at your vet or in pet stores. You're going to get gauze or cotton balls. I like to use gauze preferred myself. And if your dog already has an ear infection and your vet has already prescribed medication, get your medication ready for it. Okay? If your dog is fluffy or hairy, some of us have them, you also want to pluck the hair from inside the ears because that's a place where moisture gets trapped and is a medium for bacteria and the fungus to grow. Now you're ready to begin. I want to show you a picture. You can barely see it, but this is a picture of a dog's ear that's hairy in the inside. Okay, you don't want to worry too much about the outside, but the inside hair is the one you want to pluck. Gently, of course. You don't want to cause too much trauma. So now, this is how we're going to clean the ears. Okay? And I'm going to show you, but these 4 pictures illustrate what I'm about to show you first. Okay? So first, you're going to get your cotton ball or gauze. Then you're going to get cleaning solution, and you're going to douse the cotton ball with the cleaning solution. It's okay, you want it to overflow. A lot of times they tell you to go like this. You could do that. But what I've learned from my 9 years as a veterinary technician, there are a lot of animals that kind of get scared when they see the bottle. So by putting in the cotton ball or gauze, I kind of remove the bottle. So then I'm able to just use my hand, lift the ear, and go to the base. And then you want to squeeze it into the ear canal. If you want it to overflow, it's okay. Then you're going to close the ear canal with your hands, like in the second image. And then you're going to gently massage at the base. You're going to squish, squish, squish. You want to hear the squish sound. You're going to see this soup come out with all the nastiness in the inside. If for some reason that's a little too complicated for you, you could always put the ear down and just go like that. Kind of give your pet your pet. Squish, squish, squish. Then the next one, you want to stand away from your dog because your dog is going to shake. So you're going to move away. The dog's going to shake. There's going to be gunk and juice flying everywhere. But that's good. You want to get the deep stuff out. And then you're going to get a dry gauze or cotton ball, and you're going to just wipe out the excess. And you're going to do the same to the other ear. Once you get really good, you're going to be able to do both ears. Because then you can just, boom, put the liquid, massage, the dog's gonna shake, then you're gonna wipe off. So you get better at it the more you do it. Now, Dr. Jennifer Lander, director at the ASPCA Adoption Center, she emphasizes also, how can ear infections be prevented? One is obviously check your dogs for any swelling, inflammation, or smelling. Then also clean the ears so you can make sure you prevent any infection from happening in the future. Now, a quick review, try to prevent the preventable. You don't have to go to the vet all the time, just for a simple ear infection, then you can just clean yourself. Clean your pet ear periodically, once every 2 weeks is okay. And of course, save money by doing so. Now, this will be the ending of my presentation. Are there any questions or in the audience?
How often do we have to clean your dog's ears?
You could clean the dog's ears, up to as often as once every week, but you could do it up to once a month. You will see it as you do it with your pet. You will see how often you need to do it.
When you're cleaning the dog's ear, either squeezing it or squirting it into his ear, is there danger that it will go too far into their ear?
No, because I'm glad that you asked that question. It's a very good question. Give me 1 second, I'm just going to go back. So as you can see how far in the eardrum is here. When you put in the liquid, even if you put the nozzle of the thing in there, you won't get close enough to the eardrum to do any damage.
Okay.
So they make them specialized for the animals like that. So you could actually stick the whole nozzle in there and just be like squish, of course not like it's just a gentle amount and just rub.
Okay.
You want to get that stuff out.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for listening to me.
I have another question.
You have one more question?
Yes, I have one more question from the audience. Can this same process be used on cats, or is this only for dogs?
You could use this process on cats. The only things with cats, they have very delicate hearing system. So when you do this, you want to be extra gentle with them. And you will definitely want to do the gauze to liquid technique. You don't want to do the whole thing directly because theirs is very delicate. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.